for the people all around the world that suffer from bullying and being a little hurt, and they don't want to go up because they full of fear with strap on their collar and their face streaming tears. This is for the children, this is for the adults, the people who are different to hide from these cowards. It's a situation, it's a premonition. Let the time to go and have a listen. Children who don't speak up, knowing that they've had enough and knowing that it's tough, and they're scared to go and tell someone. The parents are unaware what is happening all day while they don't want to play, and it's rattled in their brains when the kids go to school. On every weekday they get a slap on the face and the pulling of their hair. Well, this is unfair, what more can I say? I help make a change today. Adults are the same, whether old or you're young, so you work for a living, unemployed by someone who will always give you grief, so you beg and you plead and you please. It's the name when you leave, you can breathe. Online bullying and another impact, with easy access and employment plus sex. Victims wanna hide and inside they are blind, so can we all stop being blind? This is for the people all around the world that suffers from this awful, dreaded, cursed hurts that we know all about, and we don't do nothing. It's frightening. We know all about it. We don't do nothing. This is for the people all around the world that suffers from this awful, dreaded, cursed hurts that we know all about, and we don't do nothing. It's frightening. We know all about it. We don't do nothing. We all wish to live a good, peaceful life, a life that is free of stress and strife. We need to get together and all of us unite to support the victims and do what's right. So let's all the people just not delay, cause we need to get together and we start today to tackle this bullying that is up to us. Who don't think enough is enough? This is for the people all around the world that suffers from this awful, dreaded, cursed hurts that we know all about, and we don't do nothing. It's frightening. We know all about it. We don't do nothing. This is for the people all around the world that suffers from this awful, dreaded, cursed hurts that we know all about, and we don't do nothing. It's frightening. We know all about it. We don't do nothing.
Okay. Well done, buddy. Anya, what do you think of S.L.E's performance tonight?
I really like this one. It's really current sounding, and I just want to say that when it got to just after I think second verse, I was actually mouthing the words. It's really catchy. I quite like the sound as well. It's really current. It sounds like something I'd listen to. And I actually love that you always get into your songs. You're so passionate about it, and you're really incredibly talented to even be able to write your own lyrics. It's a lot of people cannot do that, and it's just incredible. I can't remember what I did. You owned your song. You owned that stage. You were yeah, this is my song. Look at my song. I got a song. It's really good. Well done.
Kelly?
Yeah, I agree with Anya. It was a really, really catchy chorus. Was that the chorus, not the rapping, the melody part? It was, yeah. See, she's singing it now. Yeah, it was really, really catchy, and you've got a really great flow. And I did pick up the same as Anya, your performance skills when you're on the stage. You use all of the stage, and you kind of, whatever you're rapping about, your facial expressions kind of tell the story along with it. I thought it was a great way to open Joey's category night. Well done.
Honestly, I didn't know how this was going to go tonight before this, because I know you prepared so much into this. And when we spoke a few times through WhatsApp, I was thinking, oh my God, is he taking too much of a risk here, doing a complete new one with a different flow that you wouldn't usually do? This isn't as dark and emotional as a lot of other songs you've done. But I was listening to you and I was thinking, actually, this is probably the best I've heard of you so far. It generally is. The track was much better. I preferred it was more catchy. I'm glad that you put a bit of a chorus line into it, which adds a little bit more flow throughout the track instead of just rap. When you showed me the chorus line and you obviously sang it a bit more, this was 100 times better than what I had heard. So this was definitely the right step to turn it into a bit more of a rappier sound. Lyrically too, I'm a bit shocked, that's all, because I didn't expect it to be as good as it was. So you should be so impressed with yourself. All you need to do if you are successful tonight now into themes is, from what I've seen tonight, keep doing what you're doing. Because that's what I'm seeing. What you've come up with is more than I expect you to come up with tonight. So you've blown my mind a little bit. So you should be really, really proud of what you've done. Because I wasn't expecting to feel like this that I am now. And I am, because of you. So well done. Well done, Mario.